are with our new topic, that is pressure. Okay, types of pressure. How many types of pressure we are having? So whenever we are considering a container in which some liquid is kept or some liquid is immersed, we are considering the internal pressure and some external pressure. Okay, the pressure in air is also known as the atmospheric pressure. The pressure in air is also known as the atmospheric pressure. So PA be the atmospheric pressure. Okay, what is PA? Pressure in the air, which is also known as atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. And the internal pressure we are having, we are representing it by P. Okay, we are representing it by only P. PA be the atmospheric pressure. So what we are having, by how much time this internal pressure exists, exceeds the atmospheric pressure. This pressure is greater than the atmospheric pressure. Internal pressure is obviously greater than the atmospheric pressure. So what is the excess of pressure? Okay, excess pressure. Through which term we are denoting the excess pressure? So the new expression for excess pressure is given by excess pressure in a fluid. Excess pressure in a fluid is determined by P excess is equal to internal pressure minus external pressure. P minus PA is equal to P excess. P minus PA is equal to the excess pressure. Excess pressure is nothing but it is the difference between the internal pressure and the external pressure. You can also call it as PI minus PE. Internal minus external. Internal pressure minus external pressure. Any pressure inside the liquid is which is internal, and some outside pressure is applied on this fluid. Okay, so the difference between these two particular quantities is also known as P excess. Unit is same, pascals. Pascal be the SI unit of this expression. P. Okay, always the SI unit for pressure is Pascal. Okay, Pascal. Then atmosphere, ATM. ATM is the also unit of pressure. ATM. Bar. Bar is also the unit of pressure. Torr. Torr be the also unit of pressure. Many units of pressure, but SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Pascal is the SI unit of pressure.